Hello kids, let's draw ice cream poppet. First I will draw two parallel lines. Now I'm going to draw two straight lines like this and join both the line like this. Make two another straight lines. Great! Our ice cream picture is ready. Now it's time to draw small circles. Wow! Our ice cream poppet is ready. It's coloring time, kids. First, I will choose red color. Great! Now it's time to do yellow color. You can choose your favorite color, kids. Now I'm going to choose light green color. Great! Now it's time to do sky blue color. Our ice cream poppet picture is ready. Now I'm going to enhance our picture. Great! Let's pop our poppet. Wow! If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe.